Hi guys, my name is Willow Good. I'm a personal trainer here at the Lenexa Rec Center, and today we are going to be talking about foam rolling. So here at the Rec Center, we have a bunch of different foam rollers that have different densities. So let's say you have a really tight knot, you want to use a harder density, which are our black ones down here, or you kind of want a softer foam roller, we have our white ones as well. And the blue one is the middle density. So when we're doing foam rolling, our main target is to do a self-myofascial release. So when we're doing that self-myofascial release, we want to pinpoint the areas that are tight on our sore muscles, and we're going to hold there for about 30 seconds to a minute. Now I'm going to show you guys how to foam roll correctly. So when we're foam rolling, we're going to kind of roll around and see if we can find one of those tight areas, and then once you find it, you're going to hold for about 30 seconds to a minute. Kind of put all your pressure on that until you feel a little bit of a release. Once you feel that release, you can move on to the next spot and kind of find it. If you have any questions, you can come up to our personal training desk or fitness desk at the front and ask us any questions.